In this Triaba review, I'm going to be showing you if you guys can really fill out surveys and make money on this website. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Triaba is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So Triaba is basically a GPT style website. So you get paid to do certain tasks and surveys. So in Triaba, you're only going to be completing all the surveys, and in return, you're going to be getting paid. So this is how it works. And here it says that you can respond to paid surveys in India and earn up to €2. So that's what they are telling you guys. And it's not just in India, you can get it almost all the countries, okay? So you have the United Kingdom, the USA, the UAE, then you have Turkey, Spain, you have Qatar, then you have New Zealand, you have all the main countries, the Germany, then you have Colombia. So almost all countries are there. Even Canada is there. You have the first tier countries, also the 3-tier countries. So almost all the countries are there. And if you're from a part of the world, if you see your country listed here, I think you should go have a look at this website. So that's how the backend of Triaba works. So if you want to get into Triaba, you can go ahead and click here. You can fill out your details, and that way and you have to confirm your email, and that way you can get into Triaba. And the thing you guys have to remember is that once you log in, make sure you fill out your profile. Like you have to fill them very accurately so that Triaba very well knows what kind of survey they have to suggest to you. So make sure you fill out your profile, which is going to maybe take about an hour to actually fill out your profile. So make sure you guys utilize the time properly and fill out with the best way possible. So the reason why I'm telling you that is that Triaba really wants to know who you are, what you do, what are your hobbies and things like that. So if they have a good understanding of who you are, they're going to be recommending you more and more of these surveys. So that's how Triaba is going to pay you as well. So that's how it works, and you can get paid through PayPal as well as many other gift cards. I'm going to show you in a second. So here is it. So through PayPal, you can be getting up to 10 USD. I think it's about $10, and there is also a fee which is 5%, because PayPal is obviously international transaction, and obviously you will have to pay 5% fee. And here they are saying if it's through gift card like Amazon Pay gift card or VI, India, Airtel, BSNL. So based on your country, you're going to be seeing the different gift cards. So in my country, these are the popular gift cards, but in your country it might be something else. So make sure you guys have a look at this page. It's triaba.com/payment. Okay, so 500 INR is actually a pretty good amount. I think it's anywhere around $6 to $7. So once you get there, you can actually withdraw to gift card. But if you are opting for PayPal, it's 10 USD. I think for some countries it's about 5 USD. It's based on what country you are from. So that's how much you can be making with this website. And also, if you're wondering how much money you can be making for every survey, so they are telling you guys that you can be earning between anywhere from 0 to 25 cents to up to $6 for every survey that you complete. So unfortunately guys, it's not that accurate, I would say, because the most surveys are going to pay you anywhere around 10 cents to up to $1, I would tell you guys. So it's going to be anywhere around 30 cents to $1. The sweet spot would be around 10 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents. So those are the maximum amount of money. That's like most surveys are going to be like 50 cents, 60 cents, 70 cents. So in rare cases you might get a dollar survey or $2 survey. Maybe every single month you should be getting a few $1 or $2 survey, but in order to get $6 survey is actually super rare. So if you actually think about it, you're going to be getting a $6 survey maybe probably once in 6 months. So that's like really rare. It really depends on who you are and what criteria do they need in you. So I don't think a $6 survey is that easy to get. But the sweet spot is about 30 cents to 60 cents, I would say. And if you would ask me how much you can be making every single month with a website like Triaba, you are not going to be making a lot of money, because for attending all these survey you will need to do a pre-qualification test. So before you click on a survey you need to do a pre-qualification test, which may take some of your time. So most surveys are going to be like 5 minutes to 25 minutes based on the pay, and before that you will have to do a pre-qualification test which requires you, if you're like eligible for the survey or not. They're doing just a checkup. But in my opinion, I think out of every 5 surveys you will be getting one survey in which you will qualify, and the other 4 you are going to probably disqualify. So that's kind of like a con in Triaba. So you will have to spend a lot of time. Suppose you're spending about 2 hours a day, you're probably going to make about $1 or $2 per day, maybe even $3 per day. I think you can make about $3 to $4 if you like really put in the work. And still I would say in a monthly basis, if you add it by 30, you're spending like 2 hours a day making $3 per day. You're going to be ending up with about $90. So that's actually quite high. I would say the sweet spot would be around $90. I mean around $50 to up to $100. So I think most people can make money about $50 to up to $100. So that's like the sweet spot. So don't expect you can make a lot of money from a survey website. This is like the maximum you can be making. It's not a lot of money. Yes, it's really true. Before you guys check this website, I think it's a cool website. It's been around for a while, but recently Triaba has been getting a lot of complaints. So I went to a website called Trustpilot. So this is a Trustpilot, and I have entered this website, which is Triaba. So they have almost 4,000 reviews, which is quite crazy, I would say. 4,000 reviews, but their star rating is really low. It's only 2.8. So in all my videos I have always mentioned that any website with about 4-star review should be probably legitimate. But this website here recently has been getting a lot of complaints, and usually it used to be like 4-star. Now it has come down to 2.8-star review, which is really low. I really don't want to show you guys the 5-star review because it's all going to be very nice, and some people might have actually manipulated also. There are definitely a lot of good reviews from real people, as well as some manipulation has happened as well. But if you go ahead and look at the 1-star reviews, you can really look at what this website is really about. So you can see a pattern. So it says it was good. See, it was good in the past. They have been like really good with this, but recently a lot of complaint has been coming up, like the support system is not that great. When they try to do the payment option, when the withdrawal comes out, they are not actually getting the payment, and most people can't get their support desk. And this is actually quite an issue actually. See, don't believe in website that operates, and don't give out your personal information. Triaba is unreliable. Then scam. Then you see join before 3 to 4 months for first time, completed 5 surveys and gained more than half amount for redemption. Now can't log into the account, route email to customer support, but no respond, careless and fraud type of. So basically they are not actually attending any of the problems that you guys are facing. So suppose if you end up in a problem, they are not going to help you, which is a big problem. So if you don't have a proper support desk, then Triaba is not really reliable. So overall, Triaba was an excellent website in the past, but recently with the 2.8 star review, I don't think it's worth your time to actually go into this website. But if you still want to check this website out, I think you should go with it. But keep in mind what I told you guys, because sometimes you might end up with these problems. So make sure you keep that in mind. So that's basically it for this video of Triaba. Now if you're wondering if you want to make much more money, not just $50 to $100 per month, if you're looking to make up to $1,000, maybe $5,000 per month or $10,000 per month, if you're looking to make that kind of money, I have a free system in which it's actually a free affiliate marketing guide. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the first link in the description. It's absolutely free. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the first link. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.